In this video, I will show you how to set up a handheld computer and how to enter data into it. The first thing you will want to do is to install the Quick Data software in the device. Go to Options, Handheld Computer, and click the Add button. Here you can enter a name for your handheld. For example, my handheld. Now select your model in the model box. The Pocket PC is the most usual device, but you can also use Scion or RFID devices. Select Pocket PC, click Test Connection to check the connection with the device. Finally, click the Install button to install the software in the device. Now Quick Data is installed in the Pocket PC. Start the Quick Data software. This is the main menu screen. You can enter events, link with the PC, clear all events, view the female history card, and enter a default date. Click Enter Events and select Insemination as an example. Enter the date, the female ID, the semen ID, technician, and dose. Click the repeat button to enter more inseminations. Click New and select Farrow Event to enter farrowings. The procedure is the same for any event. Another example, we can select pre-weaning deaths, of course, all reasons or codifications of any event can be defined by the user. The View button displays the female card. Click View button and her history shows. The summary card can be configured by the user. You can add or delete variables to show in the card. For example, in this cell card, we would like to add total born. Go to Options in the desktop software to add a new variable. Add total born as a new variable. Enter the title then select the variable. Now, back in the handheld, the SOW card has been modified. Enter the SOW ID and click the Go button. Now you can see that the total born variable has been added to the history card. Another feature is the field customizations. For example, in the insemination event, if we do not use the technician field, we can delete it. If we want to add the breeding group field, and maybe we want to add a user field, we can modify the fields that show in the handheld. Maybe we medicate some females at service and we want to track it. In the desktop software, go to Options menu to customize these events. Go to Event Fields, Females, click Insemination, and here you can see the fields that will show in the handheld computer. And by selecting these, you can turn them on or off. For example, in this case, we want to uncheck the technician field to turn it off, and we will place a check mark in the breeding group field to turn it on. Now we want to add a new field because you can see that treatment is not available. Check on a yes or no field and enter a name for it. We'll call it medicated. It'll be a yes or no. And now in the handheld, the event has also been customized. Enter events, select insemination, and now you can see that the technician has been removed, the breeding group has been added, and a field to enter yes or no for medicated. Enter some farrowing events more or any other event. Click link to synchronize the data between the device and the desktop. Click the handheld and then click Collect Work button. Now the events are in batch form. Go to Batch, All Events, and here you can see that the events you entered in the handheld have been transferred to the desktop software. You can validate the information before you process the events.